Today we're going to do something a bit different. We're going to be installing a Lithe audio Wi-Fi speaker in our warehouse office here at NetXL. We'll be removing one of our ceiling tiles and using that to house the speaker, which is super simple with Lithe Audio's 4-step installation process. Inside the box you'll find a cutting template, which we'll need later, and a few other bits and bobs along with the speaker itself. The tools you'll need for this installation are the included cutting template, a pencil for marking your ceiling or ceiling tile, a regular pad saw, a tape measure, and a standard Phillips screwdriver. If you're installing directly into the ceiling, you'll need to use a stud finder first to be sure you don't puncture a pipe, joist, or wire. You'll also need some tape to hold the cutting template against the ceiling and some protective eyewear to keep falling dust and debris out of your eyes whilst you're sawing. With our ceiling tile, the first real step is to center the cutting template on the tile and mark out our cutting circle. Next, we'll use the pad saw to cut around the marked circle. Depending on the density of the material you're sawing through, you may need to drill a starter hole first or push through with a brad awl instead of your pad saw. Now, this next step is entirely optional and is just something we chose to do. We don't quite trust our ceiling tiles, so we've reinforced it with some plywood, but you definitely don't need to do this. Next, just pop your speaker into the hole you've created. And pull out the dog legs ready for tightening. The second to last step is to screw the front facing screws in to tighten the dog legs and clamp the speaker to the ceiling or tile from the other side. When it comes time to power your speaker, you have a few options. If you have a drop ceiling with power outlets already installed, you're in luck and can use the included power cable to just plug the speaker directly into the outlet. With no outlet, you can strip the included power cable and wire it to the ring main via a fused spur, or you can wire it directly to the lighting circuit, though we strongly recommend you get a qualified electrician in to do these for you. Once powered, you can use the Lithe Audio app or Apple AirPlay to join the speaker to your Wi-Fi network. Then, all that's left to do is to snap on the magnetized grill and replace your ceiling tile. Wasn't that simple? Thank you very much for watching. We hope you enjoyed the video. You can purchase Lithe Audio speakers at our website netxl.com. Links will be provided down in the description. We'll see you in the next one.